everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. On this channel we are talking beauty, makeup, skincare and also fashion. So I kind of have the feeling that you will enjoy being here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair like this using a steam pod. I think this is the question I get asked most often on my channels. Everyone wanna know how I curl my hair using a steam pod. I love to use a steam pod in particular to curl my hair just because the finish is much better than when I use other tools. The curls are much more bouncy, the hair has a beautiful natural finish as you can see. The hair is super flexible, it looks so natural, and in the same time it looks super healthy, super smooth as well, which I definitely love. So if you're just like me and you love this finish, keep on watching because I have the feeling you'll love today's video.
The L'Oreal Steampod 4 comes with a few accessories that you need to set up before you start using it. It comes with a removable comb and this will ensure even steam distribution. And it also comes with thermoprotective shells that protect your fingers from the heat, which we definitely love. The Steampod 4 also has wider ceramic plates than the previous version, which allows you to reach closer to the roots and get smoother hair from top to the bottom. And the styler has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand and has a rotating cord that prevents tangling. Steampod 4 is compatible with any water source, so you don't have to worry about buying distilled water. You just need to fill the water tank with the tap water and plug it in the styler. The Steampod 4 will heat in about 30 seconds and will be ready to use.
It also comes with a heat-resistant travel pouch, which means that it's super easy to store it and to travel with. Right, now let's get into it. Let me show you step by step how I love to curl my hair using a steam pod. Before I do that, I also want to show you what are the steps that I follow right before I go with the steam pod 4. Because of course, it's also super important how you take care of your hair right before you start styling it. It's like with makeup. You have to prepare your skin, you have to do the skincare routine first just to make sure that all the makeup products are looking nice on your skin. Now as you can see, my hair is still wet because I've washed my hair, but obviously you can start styling your hair, you can start curling your hair using the Steampod 4 on dry hair. You don't have to wash it in advance. Now some of the things that I love to do after I wash my hair and right before I start styling it is to first of all use a hair towel to dry it. So I love to towel dry my hair and I do this, I would say, for almost 1 year, and since I've started doing that I realized that my hair is in a much better condition. Now the reason I love to use a hair towel is because in this way I'm actually using less heating because my hair is gonna be like damp when I go with the hair dryer instead of being wet and using way much heat. I hope this makes sense. Okay, another good thing I should mention as well is that I keep the towel hair dryer for around 10 minutes, maybe less. Whilst I do that, I apply 2 products. And again, this is another product that made a huge difference in my hair since I've started using it because my hair is not breaking at all. And another good product which I highly recommend is a hair oil. And it's one of my favorites because it smells absolutely delicious. You might be already familiar with this brand. And by the way, I'm applying it only at the ends. My hair is gonna be so smooth. And the second reason is because this oil is heat protectant as well. Okay, now I'm gonna use a hairdryer to dry my hair. Now that I blow dried my hair and it's completely dry, I'm gonna go with the Steampod serum. I love to apply this one because I love extra shine and smoothness to my hair. I'm using only 2 pumps. Just apply it in your hands and go at the ends of your hair. I know that some of you might say, oh Valentina, you are following way too many steps, it takes way much time, but guys, it makes a huge difference. And the fact that I'm actually styling my hair once a week and my hair stays like this the entire week and looks so good, even in the last few days before I wash my hair, it's totally worth it. And on top of everything, my hair is also looking healthy, which I definitely love. I'm gonna section my hair into smaller parts. Just gonna do half of it first. I'm using one of these hair clips to clip it up. Next, I brush my hair. I'm waiting a couple of seconds until it gets hot. The tank is filled with water. And that will be it. Now I can start styling my hair. One of the top secrets when you are using the steam pod to style your hair is to use small sections. So the hair should be this thin. Now I'm just gonna curl my hair. I love to twist it twice and then slowly but surely moving downwards, pointing it downwards. And this is the hair. we have bouncy and beautiful curls using the Steampod 4. I make sure that I pull this hair backwards and then I start doing it again. Once, twice, and I move slowly downwards and we have the curls. As you can see, it's super easy. It doesn't take much time at all. I think it takes me around, I would say, 15 minutes to do my hair. And remember, the thinner the hairs, the better are gonna hold the curls. Okay, this is half of the hair done. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna use a comb. I'm not gonna go with my fingers through it. Sometimes I love to hold my curls in my hand like this whilst they are still warm. This is another beautiful trick to follow if you want your curls to last longer. Now I'm gonna film the rest of the video for my Instagram and for my TikTok channel whilst I'm curling the rest of the hair. And I'm gonna come back in a couple of seconds to show you the final result. I'm gonna try to do like a nice transition now. Hopefully it's gonna work. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. This is the finished look. I love so much how bouncy, how shiny, and how smooth my curls are. I hope so much today's video was helpful. Please make sure to give a thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed watching it. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy the Steampod, I think you can find it on Amazon. I think you can find it on the official website of L'Oreal. I'm gonna try to link it in the description below as well. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!